Everyone has some belly fat, and that includes people with the slimmest waistline. Some belly fat is expected, but now we know that too much belly fat can mean bad things. Coming up next, how to lose belly fat in just a single night. The fat that is most harmful is the fat that you can't see, which is deep beneath the surface. Not only is this deep fat harmful, but it is the most difficult to target and remove. You might be wondering how this fat can be so problematic. Here's how. The deeper fat attaches itself to your internal organs. It can surround your liver, lungs, and your heart. They call this type of fat visceral fat, and it is very harmful no matter what weight is. While some visceral fat is useful in that it provides cushions around your organs, too much can cause heart disease and in some cases cancer. So get out some measuring tape and let's see how much belly fat you have. Put the tape around your waist while standing up. Start at the belly button, and that way you're more precise. This measurement represents your girth, so make a note of it. If you are female and your waist style is less than 35 inches, then you're within a safe range. However, if the measurement is above 35, you need to consider lowering it as soon as possible. If you are a male, if your measurement is more than 40 inches, you should be warned as well. Guess what? You can reduce your belly fat in just one day thanks to a technique I'm going to reveal. This diet will belly fat and burn off some calories too. This diet involves juices, smoothies, and teas. This plan will help detox and cleanse your body and boost your energy. Ready to learn how it's done? Let's do this. Start first thing in the morning with a glass of warm water with lemon juice added. Wait 2 hours, and then take another glass of water with orange or apple juice mixed in. Starting at noon, drink a healthy cup of green tea. 1 hour later, drink a glass of cold water with carrot juice. At 3 p.m., grab a cup of your favorite herbal tea. 5 p.m., get a glass of any juice that you like. 2 hours go by and now have another cup of green tea. Then at 9 p.m., go grab a glass of water with some grapefruit juice. Finally, at 10 p.m., go ahead and finish up your day with some warm water and lemon juice. Please keep in mind not to add anything artificial to any of these drinks in the diet. This diet gets rid of toxins, and that is why it works so fast to reduce belly fat. So, give it a try and let me know how much flatter your tummy is. Good luck, and thanks for watching.